Hi everyone, it's Emilia with a new video. Today I will be creating a mixed media canvas featuring new lavender collection from Stamperia. This collection is just so beautiful. It has many gorgeous elements, images, patterns, stamps, whatever you can dream of. And today I will use some of them. I will tell you about each product I'm using, and also you can find them listed in the description box below the video. I'm starting with a small canvas. It has about 11 by 16 centimeters, and I have chosen the rice papers to go on my background. I'm also using rice paper glue, thin layer on the canvas first, and then you can place your rice paper, and then I will add another layer on top. Because the papers are smaller than my canvas, I will be joining them. I have chosen 3 different designs. Later you won't even see where it was joined from different papers, as I will be adding some stamping and the whole canvas will have a lot of texture, so it will be easy to hide these lines where the paper is joining each other. This glue dries quite quick, but you can also use a heat gun if you are in the rush. Don't worry if your paper is sticking out on the edges. Later, when the glue is dry, you can use a nail file to remove the excess or trim it with the scissors. To add texture to my background, I will be using a stencil from Lavender collection and volume paste, and then later I will also use crackle paste here and there, just small touches of it to add an interesting detail in the background. I will also go with the crackle paste on the sides of the canvas. If you want to have a big crackles, you should add a thicker layer of the crackle paste. For a tiny crackles, the very thin layer is enough. I have chosen some die-cut chipboard elements from the same collection. I'm not sure yet if I will use them all, but I will just place them on my table and see how my composition goes. Because doesn't matter how many times I would place them and be sure that okay, this is the composition I want to create, remove them and then create something different. I think a lot of crafters do that, but yeah, these are the elements I want to play with. Just before adhering them, I will add some stamping here and there. I'm using the stamp from Lavender collection. There is like a strip of bricks which looks absolutely gorgeous on the edges. I will add it randomly, and also I'm not pressing too hard. I don't want the whole design to be visible. This is just for adding a details to the edges on the canvas. I will not be stamping in the center, only on the edges. I'm going to make the edges of the canvas slightly darker, so I'm using coffee ink, and I will also go with the ink on the sides where the crackle paste was. It will make the cracks much more visible. Creating a composition is always my favorite part for each project, and I like layer elements. This time I will not go crazy. I will try to keep it quite flat. For some elements I'm using chipboard. You can use double-sided foam pads, cardboard, something that would help you raise the elements from the background and create a little bit of dimension. And also while I'm doing it, I will be adding some elements to the background and then some elements on top of my composition, which is already there. This is simple but adorable project that anyone can do. Even if you are beginner in crafting, you can easily follow that tutorial and create something similar. As you can see, I went for one larger composition and then one smaller one in the corner, just to have the balance on that canvas. There is a lot of going on in the background and I just love how it turned out. As a finished touch, I'm adding splats of white acrylic paint mixed with water, and this is it for today. I love it. I love the colors. The collection is so beautiful, so romantic. So if you haven't seen it, I encourage you to take a look for Stamperia Lavender collection. Thank you very much for joining me today and see you soon. Take care, have a lovely creative day.